Hello and welcome back to my channel. You can see I'm really excited right now. Do you see this look right here? So I haven't did a makeup tutorial in so long, and I wanted to do something soft but glam and, you know, give it a pop of color, but you know, it took you not so much effort into doing it. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Let's first put this on because I don't want my hair in my face. Okay, so this is going to be a soft glam. So I'm going to start with my eyes first. I always do. I am going to prime my eyes, and I'll be using the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer from Kiko Professional. I'm gonna use my finger, my ring finger. I'm going to take the RCMA No Color Powder so I can dust this on my eyes. The first palette that I'll be using is a Friendcation palette. This is from Dose of Colors, Desi x Katie. Since I want a soft glam look with a pop of color, I'm going to use this shadow right here. The one I'll be using is Churro. I'm gonna just dust a little bit on. I'm not going in with a heavy hand. Remember, always tap off. And I'll be applying this shadow in my crease. I'm going back and forth to blend this shadow out. Now, even though I'm not being precise, I'm not being extremely precise, but I don't want it to go all over the place. I am trying to focus more in the crease than anything. If it goes on the lid, it's okay. But always clean it up. And I am raising my eyebrows so I can get into the crease. I'm not going in with my brush straight. I'm tilting it and going back and forth with a light hand. I'm gonna dip back into Churro and apply some in the outer corner close to my lash line. Just tapping it on. Just buffing out the outer corner. So I'm going to take the concealer, take this flat brush, and just take a little bit off so I can clean my eyes up. Now I'm going to dip into the Zodiac palette. This is the Kathleen Lights x Color Pop palette. I'm going to dip into the Libra, and I'm going to apply this right on my lid. Just gonna tap it on. Okay, I'm gonna take my finger. I just wanted at least some type of color, but something soft. So there we go, you know, the soft glam. And now I'm going to dip into the Friendcation palette one more time, and I'll be dipping into Just a Kiss, this beautiful shadow right here. Of course, I will be using my finger like always and just tapping on. I'm gonna also put on the outer corner too. I'm not finished with the eyes. I'll come right back to that, well, after I finish all this. So I'm going to start my face now, and I'm going to be using this No Pore Blem Primer. This primer right here. Before this, I did apply some moisturizer, you know, because my face is dried, especially during the winter season. Foundation. I haven't applied foundation in so long. I'm gonna do this for the sake of this video, and I wanted to try this primer with a foundation, not just concealer. I like it with concealer, so I want to see how it looks with foundation. BH Cosmetics BH Liquid Foundation, Naturally Flawless. This is in the shade Ivory Beige. My fingers are clean, okay, so I already did one side, so let me just do this. You know, let's just pump a little right here. For concealer, I'll be using the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. And I actually like this concealer. I'm going to be taking the RCMA No Color Powder and just dust it on. I'm doing only a light hand. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Tarte Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. This is going to be great for summer. For blush, I'll be using the Ginger Plus Gold Illuminating Peach Gold Blush from Seraphine Botanicals. I'll be using the same brush. I'm gonna dip it in. So for some highlights, I'm gonna go with one of my oldie but goodie highlighters from Ofra. And the highlighter is Rodeo Drive. I haven't used this highlighter in so long, so I'm gonna just zip right into this bad boy and apply. So I haven't contoured my nose, and I have to. I don't have to, but I want to. I'll be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour in Dulce de Leche 449. See, my nose is like peeling so much that it's not looking so wonderful. So before applying some mascara to my lashes, I want to talk about my real lashes. I went to my cousin Demi and she did a lash lift. That's when they just curl your real lashes. I have long lashes. The only thing is my lashes are just straight. So she gave some life to my lashes. I don't know if you can see, but it has a curl to it. I am loving it. I have not applied any mascara yet, so I'm excited to do this. My lash has been like this for I think almost 2 weeks. I got some long ass lashes. Oh wow. Do you see my lashes? These are my real lashes. Oh my god. I totally forgot to do the pop of color. I'm gonna dip in and apply it in my inner corner. And the eyeshadow that I'm using is from Laura Lee's Party Animal palette. I received this in my BoxyCharm. And I'm also dipping into the Zodiac palette, the Kathleen Lights times ColourPop, and dipping into the Aries. I'm going into this Naked Cosmetics palette. It's the Holographic Highlighter Collection. And I'm dipping into this one right here and applying this right in my inner corner. For my lips, I just want something simple, nothing too bold. I am going to be using the ColourPop times Kathleen What's Your Sign lipstick. I'm loving how this look came out. Gotta look, you know, in a closer mirror. This inner corner, I was really nervous about it because a pop of color in the inner corner, I always wanted to do it, and I just like nervous about it. When I seen Katie do it, I was like, you know what? I need to start being bold and create and not care like if it's different, just who cares, just do it. I'm happy that I did it because I like it. You know, it's simple on the whole lid, but I mean, even though, you know, my lids are sparkling. It's a soft, easy glam, but with a pop of color to make you go damn. Woo woo. These lashes, And these are my lashes. I'm so happy. I already know I said this earlier, but I have to repeat myself. I have to give a shout out to my cousin Demi for hooking me up with these bomb lashes. I mean, like, these are my lashes, but she hooked them up. That lash lift just did everything. Like, I knew my lashes were long, but I didn't know my lashes were this long. So if you are located in New York or you're visiting New York and you want your lashes done, it could be extensions or the lash lift, hit up my cousin Demi. I'm going to leave her Instagram in my description box. DM her, because I'm telling you, it is worth it. So I am done with this video. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed. I encourage all of you guys to go and create, even if you're not good at makeup. Like, I am not a makeup artist, guys. I've never wanted to be a makeup artist. I don't want to be a makeup artist, but I love doing makeup on myself, and this is why I do these videos for you guys that feel like you don't know how to do makeup. Like, you could do it. It just takes practice and patience, and you just gotta keep on going. Just believe in yourself, you know? The simplest thing of doing makeup, but is believe in yourself in everything. So yeah, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. And I hope